Hey guys, okay, so today I want to show you how to change an image on your website. Also, I'd like to show you how to add a gallery, an advanced gallery. So these are pretty basic requests that we get to, I want to change this image on my front page. This is how you would do it. Okay, so I'm going to right click and open the link in a new tab so that I can have my dashboard open and I can see the website. And so that allows me to quickly jump back and forth. So let's say we wanted to change these images in here. We pass it over to you guys and, they come and it's fine for a little bit. But after a while, we got a little downtime. We want to make sure we can keep our website looking fresh. We want to update these photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the toolbar. I'm going to say edit with Elementor. And when it opens, it's going to show me all the options I have for this home page design. Okay, so one thing I always have open when I'm editing a page is this navigator in the lower left corner next to update. In this corner, there's this icon that looks like three pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. If you click it, it'll open up a right panel. And sometimes the panel will be disconnected like this, in which case you can click it and drag it to the side. And if you see that blue box comes out, let go and it'll pin it to the right side. So that's kind of nice as you work through. And then you can also adjust this toolbar on the left so that you can see your page a little bit better. Okay, so what we want to do is change these images. So it's super simple. What I'm going to do is come over here to this image and I'm going to hit the little pencil in the corner. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up, the left side's going to show me the options I have for that element, including the selection of the image. So we want to change it to something different. We want it to be this cool looking dog bouncer. All right, so that's how you would change the image. You click update, and if you click the little eyeball next to update, it's going to load your preview page. So there you go. You've got a new image in that area. Now let's say we wanted to add a little gallery, a new, you've got a selection of 6 photos, maybe 4 photos of, your new jumpers, your new equipment, maybe some ones of kids having fun on the new equipment. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the left side and we're going to hit this little button in the corner next to Elementor, and it's like a series, it's like 9 little boxes, and what those represent are widgets. So the widget we're going to bring over is gallery. We're going to drop it in. We'll put it in the same box as this one. Okay, so now we've got the template for it. It's ready. Over here on the left side, it says, okay, what do you want to do? I want it to be a single gallery, and I want to add some images. So I'm just going to select some images just so we can see what this looks like. We're going to select, let's just do these 3 right here. And we're going to say create a new gallery. And in this place, you can add little captions. Like if you want to add what the item is, you can add a link, but that's going to require some inline HTML, and that's a little bit more advanced. But if you do need help like that, go ahead and reach out to the web team and we could definitely help you out. But if you wanted to name your bouncers so that people could identify them within the site, that's where you would do it. And you click Insert Gallery. And now we have a gallery set up. But maybe we don't want it to be set up as 4 across because all we have are 3. So we can set the columns to 3 and it changes that. And then we can also say, they're a little close. I want them to be a little bit further. So this will adjust your spacing between elements. Justified will give you the full image, so it's going to force it within that space. Masonry is going to be dependent on different sizes. So let's say you had an image in here that was a little bit larger, like this right here. I can tell. There we go. So these three images look to be about the same size. This one definitely isn't, but in masonry, it will figure out the best place for it. Justified is going to force that larger photo to be the same size as everybody else. And there's the grid, so those are going to be more thumbnail based. I would recommend for just for user experience to either go with Justified or masonry. You know, thumbnail is a little bit has a little bit of a dated feel. So okay, so that's what we have, and then we can have them go to a custom URL if you want to lead all of these people to the booking form. If you want to have them be able to click it and have it open up into a light box, that's how you would do that. Okay, so let's say we want to take out this picture right here of let's see, let's take this out. So let's say we want to take out any of these pictures. We're going to go ahead and just hit the X in the corner and it removes it. And we'll click Insert Gallery and it's back to normal. And that's how you would add a gallery. So what does it look like on mobile? We always have to be sure what that looks like. So if you click the little screen icon, you'll see tablet and mobile views. So tablet will show you what it looks like on mobile. Yep, it's a little bit too big for your tablet. So we're going to go with 3 columns. And these settings that you put in place are only going to be for the tablet. And you know that by looking at this little icon next to the attribute. So we're saying tablet is going to have 3 columns, but desktop is going to have 3 columns, and mobile should probably only be a 1 column, which it automatically decided. But let's say we wanted mobile to be 2 columns or even 3 columns. That's how it would look. And if you click update, it's in place, and we'll click the preview changes button again, and our new changes are in place. And there you go. And clicking it will open a light box. And this is the image name. So you'll want to make sure you name your images. If you add a caption, the caption is going to sit right directly underneath the image. And it's a nice way to incorporate some brand new images quickly and effectively. Okay, thanks guys.